Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do you ever struggle to find the perfect gift for someone? Naha Flume has completely taken care of that for us.
This gift box is ready made, and just the way that it arrives is so fun. It has some confetti in the packaging, and just the packaging itself is really beautiful, but it also has such thoughtful things in it. It has a sipping cup, it has a bath bomb, just everything that your friend, your loved one will need for a little self care moment. And I really appreciate that it all comes packaged so nicely so that you know that if you send this directly to your friend, it is good to go. Like they took a lot of care in the packaging itself. So it arrives really quite beautiful. You don't have to do a thing. It is already so special. And the quality of these products is great too. They smell so good. I love the soap. I love the candle. It burns so nice and it goes along so well with everything else. Like this is just perfect for a night in. You've got your fuzzy socks when you get out of the tub, and you've got a really great quality bath bomb too that has such a nice fizz to it. I just think this is the ultimate self-care package, and I know I would love to receive this.
Whether you are giving it to someone for a special occasion or just because, it is sure to bring a smile to their face. But that's just my point of view.